evils that we must burn on Dussehra. Arrogance, anger, delusion, greed, impulsive, jealousy, procrastination, hatred, lethargy, indecisiveness. Now let's burn these evils.
Now, did you understand the significance of this little ritual which class 7 did right now? When we talk about Dussehra, we talk about good over evil. But can you tell me, does any religion say that it has to be evil over good? No, not a single religion. Doesn't matter what religion we follow. It has the basic tenet, the basic premise that it has to be good over evil. So that is what we need to follow all the time as human beings. It is not just enough to be born as a human, but it is the transition from being a human to humane. Whatever we do, wherever we are, we need to be humane.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे हो આવી ગઈ રાત અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छोगाड़ा तारा और छबीला तारा और रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे।